First of all, he brings a large ribbed water tank through the landscape.
Before the tank can be converted, however, Ramp must create a stable piece of ground. He needs a stable platform where none naturally exists beside the fast-moving stream.
The chosen location sits immediately beside a fast-moving stream around the enlarged base.
Instead of excavating the bank, he begins constructing a timber platform around the trunk.
This framework is more important than the apparent lightness of the empty tank might suggest.
Establishing a reasonably level and well-connected frame at this stage is crucial. This prevents the floor from twisting later under the weight of the structure. Next, he prepares the tank by wrapping it in a strong protective net. This avoids the need to drill holes directly into the plastic shell. Guided between the surrounding trunks, the tank is slowly maneuvered upward.
He scanned the terrain below, knowing they were coming. His training had led him at this precise spot.
This ladder provides permanent access and makes the platform much safer. Tools and materials can now be carried upward easily. Its slope encourages rain to run away rather than collect.
Visually, it transforms the storage tank into a woodland capsule.
Only after the shell is stable does Ramp establish the main entrance. The wood creates straight, rigid jambs against the flexible plastic. It provides substantial material into which hinges and doors can be fastened.
With the entrance reinforced, Ramp begins fitting the double-leaf door. Each door leaf is assembled from vertical boards with circular windows. He repeatedly opens and closes the panels to check their alignment.
Next, he marks a circular opening on the side for a window. This window begins establishing the visual language of the capsule.
Its lower wall narrows, leaving very little naturally level surface.
This creates usable width, where the vessel is closer to its maximum diameter.
Before adding soft materials, Ramp tests the platform directly.
Kneeling and moving across the boards exposes any hidden movement. A mattress, blanket, and pillow complete the first essential interior function. The capsule can now be used as a comfortable place to rest.
The exterior is then transformed with a warm brown coating.
The new color allows the capsule to sit more naturally in the forest.
The coating unifies scratches and mismatched surfaces left by construction.
At this point, Rampe briefly leaves the capsule and turns to the river.
Using a rigid plastic crate, he begins making a simple fishing trap. He must interpret the river's current and depth before placing the trap.
Lower pockets behind rocks can offer shelter and feeding opportunities for fish.
By securing a meal locally, Rampe begins replacing energy spent on the build.
As always, his skill and ingenuity allow him to be one with nature.